215 species in genus Guzmania. February 23rd, Guzmania, the bold bromeliad, represents February 23rd. This tropical plant symbolizes confidence and vibrancy. You are lively and fearless, drawing admiration with your zest for life. Guzmania, a bromeliad beauty. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant colors and unique forms of the plant world. Among my favorites is the genus Guzmania, a group of bromeliads that never fail to catch my eye. These tropical beauties belong to the Bromeliaceae family. With their striking foliage and inflorescences, bring a touch of the exotic to any setting. Origins and habitat. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, Guzmania plants are epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants, typically trees, for support. They are not parasitic, however. Instead, they gather moisture and nutrients from the air and rain, making them fascinating examples of adaptation to their environment. Imagine them thriving in the humid, lush canopy, their colorful bracts a beacon against the deep green backdrop. A diverse genus. The genus Guzmania boasts a remarkable diversity, with over 200 recognized species. Each has its own unique characteristics, but they all share that distinctive bromeliad form, a rosette of leaves forming a central tank that holds water. This tank is not just for hydration. It also serves as a microhabitat for various creatures, from insects to frogs. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Care and cultivation. While Guzmania plants may seem exotic, they are surprisingly easy to care for, making them popular houseplants. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer a humid environment. Regular misting and keeping the central tank filled with water will help mimic their natural rainforest habitat. One thing to remember is that Guzmania plants are monocarpic, meaning they flower only once. After blooming, the mother plant will gradually decline, but it will often produce offsets, or pups, that can be separated and grown into new plants. This cycle of life and renewal is another aspect that I find fascinating about these plants. Beyond the aesthetics, beyond their ornamental value, Guzmania plants also play a role in air purification, helping to remove harmful pollutants from indoor environments. This makes them not only beautiful, but also beneficial additions to our homes and workspaces. In their native habitats, Guzmania plants are also important components of the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for various animals. Their vibrant colors and unique forms add to the biodiversity and beauty of the rainforest. A source of inspiration. For me, Guzmania plants represent resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of the natural world. Their vibrant colors and unique forms never cease to inspire me. Whether I'm admiring a single plant on my windowsill or exploring a botanical garden filled with these tropical wonders, I always find myself drawn to their captivating presence. I encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate the beauty and diversity of Guzmania plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your journey into the world of botany, these fascinating bromeliads are sure to leave a lasting impression.